So how do you download App Store on your school iPad? Let's get into it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and we can get started. So first of all, there are some things or reasons why it doesn't work on your iPad currently, and it can either be a restriction or a profile in place. So at first, you can go to the settings and locate the screen time section. In there, you can find the content and privacy restrictions. And you can see that we can restrict the app installations and even the App Store altogether. So the App Store can literally be set to don't allow and it will literally just disappear, right? So if you can switch it to the allow, as well as installing apps can be set to this, and the App Store should reappear by default. The only issue you could run into is that this whole section is passcode protected and you cannot really get inside unless you know the passcode, right? And the code is different from the one you use to unlock the iPad. So this could be the issue with it. Another reason is another method is to check out the profile section of your settings, as you can also just edit profiles and add some different things into the iPad to manage the device. Like schools and businesses use it to control their iPad. So it is possible that part of the general section and VPN and device management is there like an account, or you are signed in into the school or work iPad. And if that's the case, well, you need to sign out of that before you can purchase, before you can make any changes and download and purchase apps from the App Store. So I hope it makes sense. These are the ways how you can get the App Store back onto your device if it's a school or work iPad. That's how it works. Most definitely let me know about that in the comments if it works for you or if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.